What's going on? It's your boy Jay with Suda Touch Films, and I'm back with another one. This time we back in Georgia, but it's more so on the East Coast, like towards South Carolina. We got some new site development, some NSDs. These are a little different from before. These do not require Matterport. We still have to do the tower flight, the compound site overview from up and low. So basically like an upper compound view, then a lower of the compound. Then we also have to get center in, center out. They're basically like trying to add antennas onto the tower. So they just want to get a proposed height. We're gonna fly the center in, 180, fly center out, then we done. We got like probably about 5 to 8 civils to capture. And then again, it's easy work, man. Anybody can do it, even you can do it. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow. We got, 24 sites. Let's go. All right, so we are pretty much already got the gate sign. I took a photo of the gate combination down here. Now we just gotta go in. For the civils, we pretty much gotta get the overall of all the power meters. And then we just gotta take a photo of the actual T-Mobile meter. And then take a photo of this tire H-frame, both sides of it. I already captured the fiber. The fiber is AT&T. I captured that outside of the gate. So we're just gonna take a photo. We're gonna take a wide photo, then a close up. I'm just gonna get the power meter breaker as well. Then I already captured that overall. Then we go get one on this side. And then they was tripping on me before about not capturing the inside of this cabinet. So we just gonna take a quick photo of this. And when opening these, man, you got to be careful because you may find a whole family of wasps in them. So whenever opening these cabinets or any of the cabinets, the wasps be hubbed up in them things, man. So I want to say the civils are done. I don't have the Matterport, so now we're just gonna throw the drone up in the air. Just let me double check my civil shot sheet, and then should be good. I am gonna fly from inside the car. There's vegetation around, but I'm able to see it. Okay, so I can access the compound. I got the gate sign, combo, power bank overall, meter globe, the H-frame, the fiber. Yeah, we good. Go ahead and lock this thing back up. Make sure that compound is secured. I always take a photo of the lock and then just take a wide photo. So yeah, we're good. Now we about to throw the drone up in the air. As y'all can see, it's hotter than a motherfucker. Hey, look, gang. Guess who decided to come with me for work? What's up, Jit? Yeah. Next site, he gonna be my cameraman. So, yeah, man. My boy wanted to hit the road with me. Summertime. I say, let's go. So yeah, man, like I say, easy flight. We're gonna do a tower flight. We're gonna do a compound flight. Then we're gonna do a center in, center out. Then we on to the next site. All right, we're gonna hit screen record. Hey, you wanna watch? You see? So we starting off with the safety climb. This is where the engineers and workers, where they come and climb up this. Back out soon, just so we clear of the antennas. Can you believe it goes that high? Huh? I say, can you believe it? Go that high. Alright, so this is the top anchor. You have to grab that. Then you gotta face the drone north. You see that end? Okay, so that's the compass. North, south, east, west. When you take your top down shot like this, you always gotta be facing north, no matter what. Then from here, this right here is the gimbal to make it go up and down. So from here, we wanted that 45 degrees. See the 45? Right here. Okay, so we're just gonna drop down and make sure the top part is in the center. And we go switch this back to time because it's on single photo. Single photo means if I hit this button, it just go take one picture. If I go to time, it's gonna take pictures every 0.7 seconds. So like this. So all we doing now is just flying the tower. So we started out north. We're just gonna fly around, do an orbit of the tower.
I see it.
Yeah, we're gonna do a 360, and then we're gonna come right back to north, and then we gotta drop down 10 or 15 feet. Okay, we back north. It's still taking pictures. So now we just dropping down. And we're gonna do another orbit. See it? Okay, so you back north. Gonna drop down to 115, 114. Boy, it's so hot out there. All right, back north. Drop to 95, 96. Drop down 75. Okay, back north. Drop down to say 55. Back north. Drop down. Drop down low. Lower compound is done. We're gonna take our sky shot. Let's go up above the tree line. Pop out. Alright. Now we're gonna do the compound site overview. Okay, back where we started. So we can go ahead and drop. photos in frame. All right, follow this. Now, let's back out. I can get a sky shot. I know the difference between the compound and whatnot. But let's go back and see. This is site 1976. I put down in my notes all the sites that's going to need it. 1976, 137 feet. So now we're going to go up to 137 feet, even out. Just let me make sure. No, it's a 1976. Okay, so 1976, 137. Okay. So we zeroed out. Now we're gonna knock out the center end. Alright, then from here, we're just gonna transfer our data, upload the civils. Again, there's not much. Transfer the data, get that uploaded, and we moving on. Alright, so we on to the next site. It's a guide tower. I'm trying to help you guys get into the industry. If I can't get you on with my company, I do have a vendor list on my website and also an ebook and also a done for you sample email that you guys can use to reach out to these DSPs, drone service providers, to possibly, get on with them. Yeah, it's very useful, very valuable. Anybody with the gear already or anybody that's wanting to get into the industry, man, I think you'll find some value in it and you'll be ready to hit the field. It's just a matter on you to put in the work. But yeah, we on the way to the next one. About to hop on this road. Catch y'all at the next site.